Alright guys, we're playing outside hide and seek, and I will be telling us the rules right now. So the rules are when Tommy shoots the airplane, he comes to seek us, and when you get found, you just have to be a seeker, like normal. Alright, so
sorry, I crossed it.
So you're gonna load it up again, and I'm gonna go hide?
Yeah, but then I'm gonna use this to throw it now.
Alright, so do you want me to start going?
Are you surprised how Daniel, you thought you had to glue stuff on?
Yeah.
You don't have to, though.
But that's cool.
You ready?
Yeah, wait.
Tell me when you're ready.
Alright. Guys, come on. Guys, also, this is my yard. So I know, like, every single place here. I'm ready! Guys, I don't know where he is. He got... Did he see me? You got me.
I'm gonna be hiding, and you could go inside.
No, it's good.
I'm gonna go
I'm
inside.
ready to do it out here.
We could go outside too. How about hide and seek tag? Because there's not that much places.
Yeah, hide and seek tag.
Michael, how did Michael shoot that fall?
That was my work.
Wait, so also, we can only do it out here because of the airplane.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
I'll tell you when I'm ready. Look back there.
Alright. Wait, Tom, you hold the iPad.
Hide and seek and... Hi, guys. Hi.
And Tommy, don't do weird stuff.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. It's coming for me. No, I don't. I don't. Hey, you want to go swimming again?
Huh?
I want to go swimming again.
Okay, I'm gonna get you.
You want to play go swimming again?
No.
Why?
I can't miss you.
Why can't we swim again? Junior, I really want to swim again. No!
Yeah?
The tablet defended me.
Huh?
The tablet defended me. No, you didn't.
Got you.
You got me.
Alright.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Guys, it's Tommy's
I want to
turn.
use this in the water.
No, it won't work because there's LEDs.
So we would probably sit out of the
Yeah. Alright, so you're right?
Okay, yeah. So,
Whoa, Mike!
I can't swim it that long. I can't do
Alright, I'll go get it.
We're giving Tommy a try. You don't put it on top of the roof of the Shed.
Oh God. It broke.
Need help, Tommy?
No, I know how to set it
There you
up.
go, Grandpa.
Well, it's not
All
gonna
right,
fly
Tommy's
out.
shooting it.
Well, we're giving everyone a turn.
How do you do it?
Wait,
Okay.
wait, it's cocked. Wait.
What?
Wait, don't point at me. Just a second. Hold this.
Oh, guys, we're just figuring out
Let me
something.
put the tail on here for you. Gotta build it just right to fly well.
Oh, so I think, did I build those wings right?
The wings look good, yes.
Good enough? I really want to go swimming again, Daniel.
Okay.
That's
Hand
what-
the gun to me and I'll load it on there for you.
Dad, this is,
Think it's cocked, good.
you know how to use this.
Yep.
Have you, was this
I'm a tricky old guy.
Watch it.
Okay,
We're
don't
making
point
it
at anybody.
for it?
Yeah, aim for the fence. Well, the dove. I think there's something wrong with the nose.
Yeah.
Wait.
I'm still playing tag. Every time you do it, okay?
No, this is gonna be, nah, oh hey, I'm 8 guys. I'm gonna be doing crash landings on way.
Okay, guys. Oh, okay, Tommy, just tell me when I'm ready. I'll tell you when I'm ready,
This
okay?
is the last time.
Yes, oh nice.
Oh, it almost went in the pool. Michael.
Hand the plane to me.
Hey, Tommy, I'll tell you when you're ready.
What's wrong?
Go get the plane, bro.
The heck? Wait, are we playing still?
Yeah, it's diving.
Wings look good. The tail looks good.
Guys, these flowers are beautiful. Just, soccer ball. All right, Tommy, you ready to play?
Yeah. This
All right,
is
so
the last time.
I'll tell you when I'm ready, okay? And you can't look.
No.
Point that way.
That way.
Higher. That way. Get it.
Whoa!
Very nice.
Yeah.
Crash.
Nice, Michael. Love.
Come on. Yeah. Listen. Put up in the good. Put up in the yellow.
Guys, I'm gonna eat this cable. All right. Kind of stuck, guys. Look at this top. I'm ready. Hey, Tommy, I'm ready. No, it's easy.
There's no way of hiding.
I forgot. Wait, tag back.
Swim.
I tagged you. Wait. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
Oh, could we?
Thank you.